stop scrolling. If you have ever thought about making money online, you need to watch this video till the end. Because what I'm about to tell you, you could save you months, even years of frustration. Look, making money online is not a magic trick. It's not a get rich quick scheme. And most people fail because they jump in blindly. But you would not. Because today, I'll reveal exactly what it takes to build passive income online. The hidden truth people don't tell you. And 5 beginner friendly ways you can start earning from zero. So, if you are serious about changing your life, stick with me till the end. Let's go. So, what is passive income? First, let's clear up a big misunderstanding. Passive income does not mean to do nothing and get rich. It means setting up a system once that can making you money later, even when you sleep. Think of it like planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree that give you fruit every month. So, here are some examples: selling an ebook, running a YouTube channel, creating a blog, investing in digital assets, affiliate marketing. Sound amazing, right? But hold on. There are both benefits and challenges, so let's talk about some benefits. Freedom to work from anywhere, no limit on how much you can earn. You build assets that generate income for years, can start with low investment. As there are some benefits, so there are some challenges too. It takes time to see results, not overnight success. Needs a lot of learning and experimenting. You will fail multiple times before succeeding. Staying consistent is very hard. Believe me, most people quit after a few months because they don't see fast money. But the ones who succeed are the ones who keep going despite failure. Look, if making money online was easy, so everyone would be rich. The truth is, you will struggle, you will feel like giving up, but those who push through, who keep learning, testing, and improving, they are the ones who win. If you can stay consistent for at least 6 months without expecting instant results, you will be ahead of 90% of people who quit. Here are 5 beginner-friendly passive income ideas you can start from zero. So first one is affiliate marketing. Promote other people's product and earn commission, like I have explained proxy marketing in my previous videos. And second one is YouTube automation. No need to show your face, creating faceless videos in a niche like tech, finance, or motivation. Third one is print on demand. Sell t-shirts, mugs, and posters online without handling inventory platform, Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify. Fourth one is very important, selling digital products. Create and sell ebooks, templates, or online courses. You can sell ebooks on Amazon KDP or Etsy. And the fifth one is freelancing. Offer a service like graphic designing, website development, and sell them on freelancing platform like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelance. Which of these methods do you think is best for you? Comment below. Now that you know the reality of making money online, the choice is yours. Will you quit before even starting, or will you take action or build something amazing for yourself? Comment it below. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more money making tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. And hey, if you have any question, drop them in the comments. I'll reply to everyone. I'll see you in next video. Goodbye. Take care.